Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the power source is off and ensuring you know the switch type. This avoids surprises. Once done, locate the physical toggle or software control and note its orientation so you can return it to neutral later. Make sure to have a flashlight, a small screwdriver, and the device manual handy. These let you inspect without forcing parts. As you start, focus on steady hands and clear lighting so you can identify markings and avoid accidental damage. Now position yourself for control. Grip the toggle gently and apply a firm, steady motion to change state. Jerky moves can misalign internals. If the switch has labeled positions like on, off, auto, or 1/2, move to the exact label so the mechanism fully engages. Observe indicators, LED, audible clicks, or screen confirmation to verify the change. If you're using software controls, click once and wait for the status to update. Avoid double-clicking, which can send mixed commands. Finish by verifying the switch works under normal load. Run a quick test of the device and watch for proper response. If results are unexpected, reset the switch to neutral and test again. Sometimes contacts need to seat. Make sure to check wiring or connectors for looseness or corrosion. If the switch feels loose, sticks, or shows no indicator change, replace it, do not force it. A key troubleshooting tip: if nothing responds, confirm power at the source before assuming the switch is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.